there's been a bird landing and crapping everywhere and hitting the window. Hi guys, I'm over at one of my Airbnbs doing a project today because there has been a bird flying into this window right behind me. This is the window that the bird keeps flying into, and yeah, there is crap all over the railing here from the birds. We're hanging an owl up to scare the birds away. This guy is a natural predator and will scare anything away. If you just put him on a high spot, the birds will definitely be scared of this guy. Here the owl sits on his throne. He's able to scare any birds away that come from the golf course. Look how fierce he is. Guys, it's worse than I thought. We need 2 owls. Here is owl number 2. Owl number 1 is over there. Okay guys, I think we got the situation rectified. I got an owl over here. Hoo-hoo. And an owl over here. Hoo-hoo. I think this should take care of the birds. We'll check next week.